Okay, we're moving on to number 3 of the June 2015 AQA PH1FP FP. It's for foundation paper, and this is the question paper. So we've done number 1, we've done number 2, and now we're moving on to number 3. And it reads as follows. Figure 4 shows a black metal casserole dish that is put inside a hot oven. Food is cooked inside the casserole dish. So there is the dish. It's put inside an oven. Energy is transferred quickly from the inside of the hot oven through the metal casserole dish to the food which is inside here. Why are metals good conductors of energy? Tick one box. So you've got 3 options. Because they contain free atoms. Well, if the atoms were free, then maybe we'll be looking at a gas, not a solid metal object. Because they contain free electrons, that is the correct answer. Okay, so they contain free electrons which are able to move around the metal. And because they contain free ions, so free ions is not correct, they would have to be in molten state, okay, to have free ions. So the answer to this one is you tick here, okay, because they contain free electrons. Part 2, why do black surfaces become hot quickly? Okay, you only need to tick one box. Because they are good absorbers of infrared radiation, because they are good absorbers of ultraviolet radiation, because they are good absorbers of visible light. Well, black surfaces become hot quickly because they are good absorbers of infrared radiation. So the answer is the first one there. Figure 5 shows a person removing a hot casserole dish from an oven using oven gloves. Okay, use the correct answer from the box to complete the sentence. The oven gloves are good insulators. Okay, they are good insulators, which means they do not conduct heat easily. Part B, part 2. How would wearing oven gloves affect the rate of energy transfer to a person's hands compared with not wearing oven gloves? Well, the rate of energy transfer would be higher, the rate of energy transfer would be lower, the rate of energy transfer would stay the same. Now, wearing oven gloves affects the rate of energy transfer to a person's hands. So, if the person wears oven gloves, that means that they're going to slow down the rate at which energy is transferred to them, because the oven gloves are insulators. Okay, so the answer to that is that the rate of energy transfer would be lower. So it's the second one here. Number 3C. What 2 factors determine the amount of energy transferred by an electric oven? Well, you'd have to look at the power, okay, and you'll have to look at the time it takes, okay. So to determine the amount of energy transferred by an electric oven, yeah, so you look at the power, which is voltage times current times time, and then you also look at the time that it takes. Okay. 3D, a company has invented an app that allows households to control the electric oven in their home using their mobile phone. The mobile phone can be used to switch the electric oven on and off. Suggest one benefit of using a mobile phone to switch an electric oven on and off. Well, you can say that it can be switched on and off remotely. Okay, so you can switch it on and off without having to walk to it. Otherwise, that's the only benefit that the application could have. Okay, so just one. So you can also suggest things like it can be turned on and off from work, or food can be cooked before you get home. So you could start cooking your food before you get home. That's if the food was in the oven in the first place. Okay, so that question number 3 is done. So thank you for watching. I will see you in question number 4.